Good day, ma'am.
Good day. Please introduce yourself.
I am Ana Lou Reyes, 35 years old, from Sorala, South Cotabato. I am married but I don't have kids. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the fifth in the family.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, ma'am. Last October 2018 and 2019, and the other one is 2011 to 2013. I do household chores like laundry, ironing, marketing, car washing, taking care of babies 4 and 7 years old, and the other one is old lady, 64 years old, bedridden.
Did you finish your contracts?
Yes, ma'am, but the other one is no, because they didn't give me my salary enough and food.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check his or her temperature. I will tell to my employer, and if it is he is hungry or she is hungry, I will feed her, and I will check his diaper. If it is full, I will change it.
Are you willing to share room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you sing a nursery song?
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Are you okay if your leave is not on Sunday or Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by the employer in salary instead of leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Lastly, please say something to attract your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you will hire me, I will finish my contract, and I will extend if you need me, and I will learn how to cook and speak Cantonese, and I will treat you like my family. And I am honest, patient, hardworking, a good temper, and hardworking. Thank you.
Thank you.